Hello friends, welcome to the Bunzi Quiz channel. In today's quiz, only 1% of viewers will guess all the Italian Brainrot characters just by the scenes. Will you dare to test yourself? Let's go! You have 5 seconds to answer, hurry up! PiriPiri Crocodilini? Luce brillante? Correct? Or just lucky? Let's find out! Boneca Ambalabu. Pay attention to this one, it's tricky. Hotspot! You're doing pretty well. What about this one? Spioniro Golubiro. Bet you will fail this one. Garamararamara. Okay, which Italian or Indonesian brain rot is shown here? Tralalita Tralalelita. Real fans only. Which brain rot do you remember from this scene? Fruli Frula. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa... Who does this scene belong to? Ooh! Gangster Footera. 99% will fail this one. You have 3 seconds to answer. Mateo! Mateo! Challenge time. Only the true brain rot masters can beat it. A regular person wouldn't have enough time to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and comment their city. Can you do it in 3 seconds? Which brain rot do you remember from this scene? Tatata Sahur. Good job. Who pops into your brain when you see this scene? Trulimero Trulichina. Il pretiletini. Can you identify this viral meme from the scene? Il Cacto Hipopotamo. C'era una volta. What about this one? Cappuccino Assassino. Who do you think appears in this scene? Frigo Cammello, buffo fardello, nel cielo. Can you guess who this brain rot legend is? La Vaca Saturno Saturnita.